Hey, hello guys, Brian back with the Cartesi video. As you can see, we ended up getting that fifth wave yesterday. If we go back, I'm going to show you guys here. If we go back to where we were at yesterday's video, okay, we were roughly about there. We were wondering if this was a valid wave or not, this big wave, the green one that shot the whole way up there to the 3366. And apparently it was, okay, because we were talking about getting a fifth wave. We got it, okay, it shot way up there. Now we're getting a pullback like we talked about in yesterday's video, okay. And what I talked about was after this top, you usually get an ABC, okay. This is what usually happens, all right. You have your 5 waves up, then you have an ABC corrective move, and then you continue on your way up from there, all right. So I'm going to dig into this chart a little bit deeper here in a second. I'm going to show you guys this article real quick about that sell-off this morning. In case you didn't know, there was a massive sell order on Binance, okay. It flushed millions of dollars worth of futures positions. Bitcoin slid more than 3% 15 minutes during European morning hours on Wednesday, taking the largest crypto by market cap to below 30,000. Then it went down to 29,000. While the sell-off didn't appear to stem from any fundamental reason immediately, there was no fundamental reasons for it to break down like that. An unusually large sell order on Binance and an unexpectedly high UK March inflation figure of more than 10% may have influenced market sentiment. Also in the mix, a so-called long squeeze. More than 25 million in Bitcoin futures were liquidated. Longs or bets on rising prices made 98% of the positions. And look at on Cartesi. Now Cartesi wasn't bad at all. That didn't liquidate like other coins did. I just did a AGIX video. You should see the liquidations on it. It was millions. The hotter than expected UK CPI may have weighed over risk assets, including Bitcoin, but the gravity of the reach has been far, far more severe than in other asset classes, the senior analyst at CoinDesk said, using the acronym for Consumer Price Index, CPI. Seems to be more of a leverage washout. Binance OI, open interest, in Bitcoin USDT perpetuals fell 5.1% in 15 minutes. Effects more severe in Ethereum with larger liquidation volume than Bitcoin, Lund said, referring to open interest or the total number of contracts in the futures market, and also to perpetual futures contracts. Listen to this here. Prominent pseudonyms, crypto Twitter trader at 52KSkew pointed out that $16,000 Bitcoin sell order, 16,000 Bitcoin sell order worth over $467 million at current prices proceeded to dump, which may have initiated the long squeeze. There's no may. It initiated it. A 16,000 Bitcoin sell order. 16,000 Bitcoin is unusual size to be market sold solely from Binance Spot. Usually the kind of sale happens before bad news comes out. Okay, this happened at 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the United States. This guy was right on the ball. 4:56. He had a chart out and everything, so pretty impressive there. But down here it says liquidations refer to when an exchange forcefully closes a trader's position due to a partial or total loss of their initial margin. It happens when an investor is unable to meet the margin requirements for a leveraged position, meaning they don't have sufficient funds to keep the trade open. Large liquidations can signal the local top or bottom of a steep price move, which may allow traders to position themselves accordingly. So it was pretty crazy out there. 16,000 Bitcoin sell order. That'll definitely have effects in the market. Okay, here's the crypto bubbles for the hour. Now, 1 hour ago, every single one of these were red. All right, we're getting a lot of RSIs reset. We're starting to get some bounces coming out of the market here. So this is for the daily. Well, we got Hex green now. BitTorrent was the only one. Now Hex is green. So most of the other ones, you can see that's the top 100. Here's the top 200. Look at that. Here's your few green ones. Green, Geez, I don't even know where the other one went. There was two of them. BitTorrent was on there. But yeah, so you can see, but for the hour, look at that. So we have a lot of them starting to jump up here, okay? Things are definitely turning the corner, I hope. Here's the crypto fear and greed index. The market cap is down 4%. Volume is up 25.7% over 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is still on the rise, 44.4%. And the crypto fear and greed indicator is at a 63 now. We were at a 58 yesterday, so it's up 5 clicks. And if you haven't yet, guys, please hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate that so very much. And if you're interested in any kinds of trading in KuCoin, there's a link for KuCoin in the description of the video to save 20% off your trading fees. All right, so let's go through this. All right, we talked yesterday about the the 5 waves up, and then an ABC following this. Okay. That is typical. This is Elliott Wave Theory 101. 5 waves up, then an ABC. Then you have a corrective move. Okay, that lets all the RSIs cool off and reset. If you look at our daily, look where it's at. You know, the RSI is right there. You can see it's the whole way at the top. You want that at the bottom, okay, for a new run. So what I expect for this thing, you know, and who knows, I could absolutely be wrong. This is not financial advice at all. Please seek qualified people for that, but I almost expect this thing to come up to the 702, which you know, would put us up here at just about 33 cents and get rejected from there, quite honestly, and that would give us our A, our B up to the 702. Okay, and then our C leg would equal, let's see where it would go. And if we get to C, it should come down here. Alright, so that's what I'm looking for. You never know with this market what can happen, so I'm expecting that we have a good support line right through there, so that would line up with support for a C leg, and then after that, you know, if everything goes according to the plan, who knows, after, you know, we would start our next 5 waves up, okay? But you never know with this market. After last night, that was pretty crazy. Let me show you guys this real quick. You know, let's put Bitcoin on the hourly. You know, look at that sell-off at 4 a.m. this morning, right there. That's the candle. Look at that thing. You know, it started, everything was looking fine with this thing. You know, it was holding support up there at 30,000 bucks. Right there was the, whoops, let me unlock that because it should have been there. I don't know why it was moved. But that's where it was holding support, and that 16,000 Bitcoin sell order. Look down here, look at that big red candle. That is, what is that? 900 Bitcoin on TradingView they caught. Now imagine what the $16,000 red candle looked like on Binance. But yeah, so right now Bitcoin is definitely, I think it has a little bit more downside to maybe go in it. The daily RSI is still coming down on Bitcoin. You can see right there, but if we enlarge that, you can see it's still coming down. It's still bearish to 39 and 17. So we'll see what happens here, guys. But Cartesi, you know, I would expect that ABC correction to come in, and then we'll see how it looks from there. So thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. I appreciate it very, very much. Please hit the subscribe button. Hope you have a great night.